Hello everyone, welcome to another Simply Crafty video. In today's video, we are going to be making a Shibori messenger bag by KiwiCo's Doodle Crate. So today we're going to be using traditional dyeing techniques to create a unique canvas bag. So let's get right in and open up and see what we've got. So first of all, here we've got our instruction book, which I will be following along with. So yeah, we have our 2 canvas sheets. We have our bag. Here are all the rubber bands and wooden boards so we can make our own patterns with. And here is the powder to make the dye. This is a big bag so we can put in the wet dye. And gloves because this is a very, very messy project. Let's get into it. Okay. So before we start dyeing our fabric, I'm right here in my bathroom right now, and we're going to wet the fabric. So we're going to wet it all over, so just like this. We are going to start on the other one. Now since we've got this in here, we're going to go make our dye. So what we're going to do is we are going to fill the bottle with water right up to here. So right at here. Okay. So I'm going to go fill that back up and I will be right back. Okay, so now that our stuff has had a bit of time to soak in overnight, we're going to take them out of our bag. And we are going to rinse it under this water. And it has to be cold water. And there we have it. Here are our 2 final pieces of Shibori dyed art. The Namaki here and the Itajime here. So now we're going to take these and we're going to put them on our bag. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the cloth right here and we're going to line up the holes in the fabric where the buttons go in, and you're going to push the button through these holes here. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you'll come and join me in my next craft video, which will be very, very soon. Also, a big thanks and shout out to KiwiCo for making these awesome crates. I'm going to leave a link to their YouTube channel and their official website so you can buy your own. Thank you so much for following me along this project. That took me quite a while. But yeah, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!